You don't have to fix everything today. You don't have to be strong right now. Just sit with me and let's come home to yourself together. Hi love, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is something gentle, something soft, something your heart might have been craving without even realizing it. We're talking about coming home to yourself, the kind of healing that feels like finally exhaling after holding your breath for too long. If you've been feeling tired, lost, overwhelmed, or disconnected from who you truly are, this video is for you. So grab a warm drink, get cozy, and let's breathe together. This is your safe space to soften, to slow down, and to return to the version of you that feels real, grounded, and at peace. What it means to come home to yourself. Most people go through life feeling like they're always chasing something, chasing success, chasing love, chasing validation, chasing the next version of themselves they think they should be. But coming home to yourself is the opposite. It's not rushing. It's not striving. It's not pretending. Coming home to yourself is remembering who you were before the world tried to tell you who you should be. It's reconnecting with your true emotions, your body, your values, your inner voice, your peace. It's choosing to trust yourself again, to listen inward, not outward, to rest instead of performing. The signs you've been disconnected from yourself. Before we can return home, we have to notice when we've drifted away. You might be disconnected from yourself if you feel chronically anxious, even when nothing is wrong. You struggle to say no, even when you're exhausted. You constantly compare yourself to others. You don't feel excited about things you used to love. You're always busy but not fulfilled. You feel like you're living life on autopilot. And here's the gentle truth. There is nothing wrong with you for feeling this way. Life happens, trauma happens, expectations happen, survival mode happens. Slowing down and making space. You cannot come home to yourself in chaos. Healing requires space, even tiny pockets of it. This doesn't mean quitting your job or escaping to a cabin in the woods. It means giving yourself permission to slow down. Maybe you sit in silence for 3 minutes in the morning, put your phone away for a little while. Say no to one thing you genuinely don't want to do. Take one deep breath before reacting. Give yourself permission to rest without guilt. When you slow down, you begin to hear yourself again. Your intuition, your needs, your emotions, your limits, your desires. Feel your feelings. Coming home to yourself requires something many of us have avoided for years. Feeling the emotions we've been running from. Sadness, grief, anger, fear, disappointment, they're all part of your story. Your emotions don't make you weak. They make you real. Try this gentle practice. Sit somewhere quiet. Place one hand on your heart. Take a slow breath. Ask yourself, what am I really feeling today? Don't judge the answer. Don't fix it. Just let it be. Reconnect with what feels like you. When we've been disconnected, we forget the tiny things that make us feel alive. So part of coming home to yourself is remembering what brings you joy. What makes you feel safe? What gives you peace? What do you love without trying? Maybe it's reading, journaling, cooking, long walks, music, creativity, prayer or meditation, spending time in nature, deep conversations, silence, the things that feel like you are clues. Follow them. They lead you back home. Practice radical self-kindness. You cannot come home to yourself while speaking to yourself like an enemy. Healing requires kindness, forgiveness, patience. Talk to yourself like you would talk to someone you deeply love. Say things like, I'm trying my best. I'm allowed to rest. I deserve gentleness. I don't need to earn my worth. I'm learning. I'm healing. I'm growing. When you speak kindly to yourself, you create a home inside your heart, warm, safe, and stable. Trust the slow return. Coming home to yourself is not dramatic. It's not a single moment of breakthrough. It's hundreds of small choices. Choosing yourself, choosing your peace, choosing rest, choosing honesty, choosing alignment. Some days, you'll feel close to yourself. Some days, you'll feel far. Both are normal. Both are part of the journey. Healing is not a straight line, it's a soft spiral that brings you deeper into your truth each time. So, my love, if you've been feeling lost, tired, or far from yourself, know this: you are not broken. You are not behind. You are not too late. You are simply on your way home. And home is not a place, it's you. Thank you for spending this gentle moment with me today. If this video gave you comfort, clarity, or a little peace, let me know in the comments. I love reading your hearts. Sending you softness, healing, and the courage to return to yourself, one small step at a time. See you in the next video.